Hey guys, how's it going? So we're doing front brakes on a 2019 Jeep Gladiator, desert rated. I gotta tell you, these cars, Jeep's not my favorite cars, but I never actually liked the way this car looked. You guys have this car, leave a comment in the comment section. Like, let us know why you guys like Jeep made a pickup, but I think they should have just made the body panel a little bit beefier. It looks like a skinny Jeep is what it looks like to me. In any case, we're doing the front brakes. All right, doing the front brakes, and so the bolts are 13. You need a 13 wrench, and the brakes are just brakes, guys. You know, they just come out, compress it. That's pretty much it. There's really nothing to it outside of that. I thought maybe it's a little bit different. Haven't actually done a 2019 Jeep Gladiator before, but got my trusty jack stand, got my electric jack, and you guys are looking through this brake job and you guys think it's like one of those jobs where you gotta, you know, figure out stuff. No, it's not a Benz. It's not different. So you guys gotta comment on this, leave a comment in the comment section. Obviously this is the driver's side, pretty much rudimentary, and I'm surprised at how rudimentary it is considering it's 2019, but I'm sure the back has like electric brakes. Put out a video when I actually do that. Leave a comment, please subscribe, give me thumbs. Appreciate your time, guys.